you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Fall's FabFitFun box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my fall seasonal FabFitFun box just arrived. It's so weird for me to say fall box because last week I just did another summer seasonal box. So it's so weird for me to say fall already, but that's right. We are now into fall. I feel like I kind of received this one a little early. I'm super shocked because I did not get any add-ons this time. Not even one Spongel. Are you super shocked? Because I know I am, but I know one of the things that I chose had one in it, so I was okay with not ordering any add-ons this time. So let's go ahead and dive in. I'm just going to tell you right now, this, and I said last season was the first time I was really disappointed with the choices. But this time, somehow, I was even more disappointed than last seasonal box. So there was one that I literally said mystery because I honestly did not want anything in that section. So I was hoping, well, I am hoping that they send me something else because it could have been a mystery item from that selection or a past selection that from other boxes or a completely different random product. And that's what I'm hoping for. So we'll see, knowing my luck though. So this is what this fall box looks like for the artwork on it. To me, it's not really screaming fall, but it's the fall box. I like the colors. It's just, I would have liked to see a fall leaf or an acorn, something that says fall, but no. So let's go ahead and dive in. Again, I hope winter is better. Let me just say, I hope winter is better. Okay, so there's some leaves on the inside. So, let's see what happens when we open this a little bit more. There's their magazine, and there's a sneak peek to some of the items inside. So here's the magazine that is down inside. It does not go over the different choices like it used to. So I kind of wish they just went digital with it and just didn't even print. It saved ink, saved paper, all of that, and just went digital with it. But there you go. There's that. So let's go ahead and start going through the different options for customization number 1. Again, since it's not in the book, I don't have anything to read to tell you the different options. So basically, I'm just going to show you all of the different options that you could have chose from, and then I will show you what I picked from that category. So here's all the different choices for customization number 1. So all members could have chose between a Trophy Skin Brightening MD valued at $99, Food 52 Colander and Bowl Set valued at $49, NARS Blush in color Orgasm for $32, also in color Taj Mahal for $32, or you could have chose color Deep Throat for $32 as well. Summer Fridays Overtime Brightening Pumpkin Mask valued for $46. Living Proof Full-Size Shampoo and Conditioner Set valued for $60. A Phantom Chef Frying Pan valued for $40. An Air Purifier with HEPA Filter valued at $99. There's a Weekender Bag in color Cream valued for $128. Or in color Black Abstract for $128 as well. Gentle Fawn Hermosa Cover-Up in size extra small to small, valued at $78. Same thing in size medium to large, and also in a plus size, all valued at $78 each. So for that one, I chose the shampoo and conditioner. I believe it was last season or the season before they had this as a selection, but it was could only choose the shampoo or the conditioner. You couldn't get both unless I think maybe you paid extra for the other one. But either way, this time they actually had them in the same set. So I've been dying to try this shampoo and conditioner. I just haven't pulled the trigger on the price point of it. So I'm super glad that this time they put them in as a set. I'm kind of disappointed in the size of them though, to be honest. This is a really, really small bottle. I get like the big like liters. That's what I use. So for me to hold this in my hand seems very, very tiny. It's only 8 fluid ounces. But hey, it was the only thing that I really wanted to pick from any of those options. I don't think there was really anything else that I wanted. So I was like, okay, cool. Here we go. So this is the set that I got. I'm going to try to use this as sparingly as I can to see how it works. But let me see how it smells though. Again, I'm so intrigued on using this. Ooh, it does smell really nice. Ooh, it does smell really, really good. All right, so let's go ahead and go with option number 2. All members could have chose between a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer for $39, Babe Original Essential Serum for $49, Glossier Future Dew for $26, a set of Food 52 Bamboo Measuring Cups and Spoons in blue and green for $28, Gentle Fawn Huntington Scarf valued for $40, Chick and Tonic 3-piece baking set valued at $40, Fit Plan 3-in-1 Resistance Band Kit and 3-month app subscription for $67.97, or this Craft Bundle Kit valued at $90. And for this one, I settled. I settled because I really didn't need any of it. I already have a lot of those products, or I just didn't need any of those products. So what I settled with was the Chick and Tonic 3-piece silicone baking set. The set includes a silicone baking mat, full-size spatula, and a mini spatula. I do like this color, teal though. That's probably the only reason why I was like, let me get that. So here is a silicone mat. I just kind of really wanted the silicone mat because you never know whatever you want to cook or bake or anything like that to where you might need a silicone mat. You can literally fill these, like, it feels kind of like there's sprinkles in there. You can fill all these blue things. I'm like, is there sprinkles in there? So here is the actual mat, and then here's 2 different spatulas. They're not the color in my kitchen, but they are my favorite color. So I chose this one. Okay, so let's go with option number 3. All members could choose between this eucalyptus body wash valued at $25, Living Proof No Frizz Vanishing Oil for $30, Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray valued for $29, a Living Proof Restore Repair Mask valued for $38. You have this set of hoop earrings valued for $65. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Long Wear in color Unbutton for $26. This pair of sunglasses valued for $80. A Michael Kors beanie with a pom-pom poof on top for $48. You have this packing cubes, a set of 2 valued for $40. There is this hat valued for $68. Or Sugar Bear Sleep Deep Gummy Vitamins valued for $29.99. So I chose the Sugar Bear Sleep Deep Gummies, and I hope they are going to help me. Sleep support, cruelty-free, and it says there's 60 gummies in there. And you probably take two a day for sleep. So now let's go with option number 4. All members could have chose between a Luxie Enchanted Eye Set valued for $64, the Lifestyle Co. Natural Green Tea and Aloe Body Polish for $45, Wish Rose Hip and Lotus Mineral Milk Bath for $38, a 7-second leave-in detangler valued for $32.50. There's this mini vegetable chopper valued at $19.95, or a 2-pack of bamboo boot socks, size 5 to 10, valued for $24. So this is the one that I was telling you. I honestly did not want anything at all from the selection, so I chose a mystery product, and they disappointed me. They sent me one of the products that was from that particular choice. So that's not what I wanted. I wanted something completely different because again, I did not want, or no, I didn't want anything from that option. But now I have this 7-second detangler leave-in conditioner. I normally don't put any type of products in my hair. Even products like this tend to make my hair like greasy looking, and I just don't like the way that it is. So I don't use anything in my hair. All I use is shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and that's it. So I don't know. I got that product and now I'm stuck with it. So for number 5, annual members could choose between Skin Chemist London Collagen Serum valued for $39.90, the Market Wool Dryer Ball Set of 3 valued for $20, Pumpkin Fresh Peepers Eye Masks for $29, Daily Concepts Hair Drying Towel in Teal for $18, a Buffalo Checked Baseball Cap valued for $38, GlossierBalm.com Birthday valued for $12, or this Milk Frother in Teal for $24.95. Number 5, I think I had something else chose just to settle with, and then one of my friends was telling me about the dryer balls and that she absolutely loves them, so I went and switched it to the dryer balls because I'm like, you know, I really didn't need or want the other thing anyways, so at least now I can try something out that came highly recommended by a friend. So I will take this one. This is To The Market Wool Dryer Balls, a set of 3. So it does come down in this little pouch to keep them in. And let's see what they look like. I've never used any type of a dryer ball, but again, they came highly recommended, so I will definitely check them out. I'm like, were these supposed to smell? So that's what they look like. I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything, but that doesn't surprise me. My nose works when it wants to. So here is a set of 3 dryer balls. Now for number 6, annual members could have chose between a Daily Concepts and Spongel bundle for $44, Indie Lee facial oil for $36, Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream for $30, number 7 Laboratories Galactic Acid for $41.99, Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask for $59, or Mud Masky Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask for $59, Dr. Brandt Skincare Hydrating Essence for $35, a collapsible cup with 4 reusable straws for $32, or this Craft Crush bundle valued for $65. This one was a no-brainer once I saw Spongel was in one of the options, and it had like this little duo. I like Daily Concepts sponges and stuff. That's what I use in the shower. So when I saw this, I was actually excited. So out of all of these options, other than the Living Proof, because I've been really wanting to try that shampoo and conditioner for a very long time. So other than that one, this is the only other one that I'm actually excited that I know I will use. So I got this one. Again, it was a no-brainer once I saw the Spongel bundle with the Daily Concepts. So the Spongel, oh, I was holding that upside down the whole time. This one here says body wash infused eucalyptus rain. I was trying to figure out what scent it was. Eucalyptus rain. I can smell that. So it's definitely, my smeller's working. So the dryer balls must not smell like anything. So here is the Spongel. So again, here is this by Daily Concepts, and it is a duo. Comes with a grooming and a body mitt. An ancient bathing ritual. So let's get this open so we can see which 2 duo things we have in here. Okay. So you have this big guy here. Oh, holy moly. Do you directions? Hold on. I was confused, like if you stick your whole hand in here or if you stick like a soap bar. You probably could stick your soap down in there too if you wanted to and use that to like exfoliate and clean, or I don't know if you're supposed to stick your hand in here. I don't know why it has this to separate the two. If I'm confused on this one. I've never seen this product. Yes, okay, so you do put your whole hand up in there. So it shows the big one is like this, and then the smaller one is meant for smaller, more intimate areas, which would be this guy right here. So do you still stick your fingers? You stick your fingers in it? And this one goes by the intimate area. So that did not sound good. Stick your fingers in it, and you can use this to go on smaller areas. So you have two different things that you stick your hands in to exfoliate your skin. Again, it came with the Duo, but this is what I'm mainly excited about because I use these and buy these all the time. So definitely swoop that one up. So that is everything for what I customized. There is something down inside of the box. This must be a free little thing in here. This is the eye drops. I actually do like this brand, and I do use this. It takes your red eyes away very, very quickly. But this is, I believe, the full-size product because this is the same size that I have in my medicine cabinet currently. So there was this down in there. I'm assuming it's just an extra bonus item, and I'm loving that because I do use it. So that is everything that came in my fall 2022 box. I am an annual member, so I was able to select everything. So a quick recap of what I chose for my box is we have a little Duo set of this and the sponge gel. We have a set of 3 dryer balls, silicone spatula and silicone pad set, some sleep gummies, a hair detangler, and a shampoo and conditioner. So that is everything that came in the fall 2022 box. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the different options? What did you think of the ones that I chose? If you got this, did you pick anything or receive anything that I chose? Let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about FabFitFun, I will let you know right about now. I do have them linked down below. You can follow that to go straight to their website if you would like. They have 2 different options. You can do just seasonal, box per box. It's $54.99 with free US shipping. You can customize 4 of the different options, or you can go to annual. Annual will save you $5 a box. So it's $49.99 per season. $199.99 is what you will pay for the entire year. That's what I do. With this one, you can choose all of the products that you receive in the box. You get to choose sooner, and you're supposed to receive your box sooner as well, as one of the perks of being an annual member. You get free shipping to the United States. They do ship worldwide. Canada, Puerto Rico, Alaska, and Hawaii. Looks like it's $8 for shipping and $10 to the UK. Again, I will link them all down below. You can check them out if you would like. And yeah, so that is everything again for this box. Comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.